Hello wonderful people, welcome to another Temu video. So I just opened up my Temu app and I met this amazing offer gift at €0. So I thought to record it and show us how it goes, how to actually get free gifts. We should know that free gifts comes with qualifying orders. Okay, we'll just start and we'll show us how everything goes. So I'll click on get now and let's see what next. Second free gift and the third free gift. So I've been offered 3 for €0, and I'll have to pick it out of this page that I'm being shown. So picking the first item, I'll pick this selfie stick. Okay, so let's wait for the second item. So they've increased it from 3 gifts to 6 gifts, for €0. Now for the second free gifts, I'll pick this. The third one, this. The fourth one, this one. Sorry, you're hearing my baby's voice. I'm with him. And the fifth one, the fifth one, I'll go for this. Then the sixth gift, I'll go for this rope. So I picked my 6 free gifts and they are valued at €40, €40.88. Confirm my address. Okay, they say I'm eligible to crack a golden egg. Let's see what. Okay, I get 100% coupon back. So pick one item to the list and 100% coupon back, capped at €25 coupon. So let's see what else I need. Let's say I pick this. Oh no, I saw something. Extra gift with purchase. No, I don't want. See, the thing with Temu is the more free gift they give you, the more qualifying purchase, like the higher the price of the qualifying purchase you need to actually get those free gifts. So if Temu should give you 3 free gifts, for an example, that means you need a qualifying purchase of maybe about €25. If they give you 6 free gifts, you would need a qualifying purchase about maybe €45 or €50. If they give you 8, that means you need to purchase higher. So I don't want more free gifts. Let's just stick to the 6 we already have. If I even had a way to stick to the 3 they initially gave me, I would have preferred it that way. So let's say I'll go for this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so they need me to purchase €25, something worth €25. Let's go for this too. €17 gone. I need more to make it 25. Let's go for this. One more thing and we'll complete it. Let's go for this. Okay, I need more. What else do I need here? So one thing with Temu, you have to purchase on the page where they show you. Okay, that's where you have to get. So I've reached my €25 coupon back and I get the 100. As in, I'm being offered €100 coupon back. That's if I eventually make my payments. So check out for 6 free gifts. Your gifts are waiting. Check out list, okay? Confirm my address. Select a payment method. Okay, so here is how much I have to pay. I selected things that are worth €26.41, and one of the item, or there is a discount of €1.30. So I have to pay. There's actually a shipping fee here. I don't know why. Maybe one of the items is an what's it called, a warehouse item or something like that. I don't know, I'm not sure. I think one of it should be a warehouse item. Yeah, this is a warehouse item, this box, this storage box. So one thing with Temu is, if you actually ship, if you click on getting a warehouse item, or if you're ordering something that is a warehouse item and what you're ordering is not up to €25, you have a likelihood of paying a shipping fee for that item. So I want us to be aware of that. So because I already have €12 in my Temu credits, that's why I'm having a discount here, or rather it is removed from my Temu credit. The total I have to pay is €17. So if I go ahead and click on order and pay, and Temu confirms my payments, then I'll have the access to the 6 free gifts. But another thing I've noticed sometimes is, sometimes even after you go ahead and pay, Temu can actually tell you to go ahead and order more, maybe something worth €10 more. But I've only experienced that with when I was given 8 free gifts. Okay, so I really don't need these things now. I was just recording it to show us how it works. So, but I've gotten 4 free gifts from Temu before. There was a time I was offered, no, I think 3 free gifts. Yeah, 3 free gifts. And I only made the first payment of the goods I ordered, and that was it. I wasn't asked to make any other payments for any other goods. Then there was another time I was offered 8 free gifts, and that was when I was made, and like they wanted me to make purchase of 3 sets of items, something like. After making the first payment, I was asked to make another set of purchase, and I didn't go through with it. So I just want to put it out there that we should also be careful of that and be sure. So the thing is, the higher the gifts, free gift they give you, the higher the amount of money you're going to spend on the qualifying items. Okay, all right. So far, if you've enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know if you've ordered from Temu. Please use my code. If you're a new app user, use my code. I'll be displaying it on the screen. Search it on the Temu search bar, and you have access to 100 coupons back. You have amazing. I have the code for the 100% coupon. I have the code for free gifts, for amazing deals. And of course, if you're not making money on Temu, I don't know what you're doing. Please use my code. Search for my code on the bar, the code for the affiliate program. Search for it and you're immediately signed up. And all you need to do is just to share your links, your code, and once someone downloads the app or make a purchase with it, you get a commission. Okay, it's that easy. I'm going to still do a video of how much I've made from Temu so far. If you really want that video, please let me know, and I'm going to try to make the video. All right, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.